Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Here is an outlay of the ingredients I'm using: ugba, kanda, and cow leg, dry shrimps, a little onion for garnishing, habanero pepper. This tiny species of garden egg does magic to this ugba. Garden egg leaf for garnishing, filtered mirin shrimp seasoning powder, palm oil, 𝐬𝐤𝐝 or calabash nutmeg, and I have it here toasting to release the best of its flavor. To this little boiling water, I add the chopped kanda and the chopped cow leg. I flavor the water that I'm using to boil this with a little shrimp powder, and this meat will cook down before I add it to the ugba. This chopped cow leg and chopped cow skin is previously cooked in onion and salted water, so ready enough for eating. I try to push it all under the water so that the coating of the seasoning cube can touch all of it. In a separate pot, I add my palm oil. I add the filtered 𝐬𝐤𝐝 water. 𝐬𝐤𝐝 water is burnt palm ash that is you add a little water and filter it. I prefer using this to 𝐬𝐚. If you have 𝐬𝐚 or potash, you can still use it, okay? This works for me. Do try and achieve this thick consistency. This is the base of the ugba you want to mix. I add the crushed or blended the calabash nutmeg. I add a scoop of crayfish. Please note that though I'm mixing this sauce inside a pot, it is not on a stove top. Ugba Agworoagwo is majorly served like you serve salad. It's served cold. In goes my clean and washed dried prawns. This really has a crunchy taste when you bite into it in this ugba. I add my crushed habanero. This habanero is really well scented like nsukka pepper. It gives a good flavor to this ugba. If you don't have it, you can use Cameroon pepper. In goes the tiny little garden eggs. These garden eggs add a beautiful, like a sweet bitter taste when you bite into it with the ugba. In goes the cow leg and the kanda or cow skin. Goat meat that has its skin is also perfect for this recipe. I combine everything very well to be sure that all the pieces of meat is coated in this tasty sauce. And at this time, I add the star of this recipe, our ugba. Make sure that you use ugba that is not too hard and that is not too soft. You know, mid-soft ugba works best in this recipe. Mix everything like you see me do. Keep mixing until you're satisfied that the ugba and the meat and everything inside this tasty sauce is well coated evenly. Don't leave out any part that is not coated, so that any spoonful of this delicious ugba, you like it. I'm not minded to add ogiri to my ugba, but if you like adding ogiri to yours, please add it at this time and make sure it combines very well, okay? The calabash nutmeg is just the flavor I like in my ugba, the way my dad likes it. What I'm doing here is preparing garnishing for this ugba when it is plated. I chose this wooden bowl to serve this ugba. Remember that this ugba I'm making is a special for Father's Day. You can use any dish or any plate you like, but this gives me the home vibe, if you get what I mean. Here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our bowl of ugba is served for your pleasure. Have this gorgeous looking plated Ugba Agworoagwo with a drink of your choice. I'll be serving this with a chilled can of malt. My beloved late dad liked his with palm wine. I remember him with a lot of emotion today because this is one of his favorite meals, but it's okay. This gorgeous bowl you're looking at here, it's plated for my husband. I appreciate you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Tell me if you eat ugba and how you make your ugba best. Let me hear your voice in the comment section below. Till my next video, God bless you and bye for now.